Pinky!
Hi, Pinky artists. Come along with me. Let's draw a cute cat riding on a rocket. This adventurous kitty is zooming through space with its adorable whiskers and a bright, colorful rocket. Let's blast off together. Cats have a special sense of balance, making them the perfect little astronauts. To orbit Earth was a dog named Laika, but wouldn't it be fun if it had been a cat? Rockets can travel faster than the speed of sound. That's faster than a cat chasing a laser pointer. Opened its eyes. Look! The cat is having a great time exploring its environment. Jump up to 6 times their body length. Imagine how far they could go in space. A cat's whiskers are like their radar, helping them explore even dark, small places, perfect for space adventures. Cats love high places, so being on a rocket is like the ultimate perch. Did you know some astronauts bring plush toys on their rocket journey? Imagine a cat plush floating in space. Rockets are launched using tons of energy, kind of like when a kitten gets the zoom line. Space rockets are built to withstand extreme heat, just like cats love snuggling up to warm spots. Amazing! We've finished drawing our cute cat on a rocket. Now it's time to grab your favorite colors and make this artwork shine even brighter. Grab your crayons or markers and let's start coloring.
Meow! Hello, Pinky artists!
Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. considered magical in ancient Egypt, imagine a space kitty with glowing stars as its crown.
Did you see how cool I look riding this rocket? It's so fun! Do you think my rocket should be colorful or all one color?
I think you'd look great with a cute colored rocket. What do you think, friends?
Ooh, great idea! I love bright colors, too. Wow, I think my rocket needs some stars around it. Can we add some sparkly ones? What kind of stars should we draw? Big ones or tiny sparkles?
Ooh, maybe a mix. What do you think, artists?
Yes, a mix sounds perfect. I'll sparkle my way through space. Do you think there are other animals riding rockets in space? Maybe dogs or bunnies? What animal would you draw riding a rocket next?
Ooh, a bunny would be so cute. Or maybe a turtle, slow and steady in space.
What fun ideas! Space is big enough for everyone to explore.
Good job! Our colorful creations are out of this world. Show our artwork and share so we can keep making fun art together. Thank you for drawing with me, and I'll see you next time.